Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a job and resume CV PDF editor. So where you can actually make your resumes and CVs if you are applying for a job. So it's an all-in-one editor with live preview. You have all the functions. So we are running this project on localhost 5173. So it's directly built inside React.js. So as you can see, we are using the latest version of React, which is 19. And we have also used Tailwind CSS as well for the user interface. So you can see this is actually the full directory structure of the project. So if you need the source code of this, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. So after you purchase it, you will get the source code automatically from Google Drive. So I built this project from scratch. So each component, as you see, is coded directly inside TypeScript. So it's fully customizable. And we are running this project locally, as you can see, npm run dev. So it started this local development server. So now coming back to the application, it's a simple resume and CV editor. So right here you can change the profile picture, the name of the person, email address, everything is customizable. So right here you just need to change, you can customize the picture. Right here you will see. So this is actually the basic info. So here you can change the name. So then now if you just want to export this to a PDF, so you can simply save this, and this resume will be saved. So if I try open this, you will see the resume is there with the updated profile picture, name, everything. So it's directly easy. So you can actually customize everything right here. You can change the, you can add your own GitHub link, your email address, everything. So as you make the changes, automatically the live preview, all the changes will be reflected back. So you can also add more websites as well by just clicking the plus icon. So it's very easy to actually customize this. From the left hand corner of the screen, you can edit this basic information. So coming back to the title, you can add more titles as well. So directly you highlight a particular section that you want to edit, and you can edit this by clicking the left hand corner of the screen and directly editing that stuff. Just changing the text, replacing, clicking the edit content button. So as soon as you do this, the content will come. So right here you will paste your own content right here and click on save, and everything will be saved. And this is the same for every section. So you just need to highlight that particular section. So this will actually is really will save you a lot of time. So if you are looking forward for a React.js project for making your resumes and CV, this will be the perfect project, and it will be a good starting point. If you get the source code, you will exactly see how I coded this. Each file is coded directly inside TypeScript, so you can add more features on top of this project as well. So the link is given in the description, so you can easily deploy this application as well. So we have a bunch of commands right here, npm run build. So you will run this command to actually deploy this application really easily. If you want to reset everything, you have this button given, so it will reset everything for you, and you can actually start it from scratch. Again, you replace the profile picture, name. So everything is customizable. So as you see, so here you will replace the phone number, everything. So here the website, email address, everything. The style layout, you can even customize it is by giving margin from the top position, bottom position. And you can even add more images as well by clicking the image section. So right here you can replace any other image that you want to replace. So you will see that that image will be there. So at any moment of time, let's suppose in this section you want to replace an image. Again, you click this widget of image and directly you can embed multiple images. So in this easy way, and then at any moment of time you want to export that, so you click the print button. So this will export your resume to a PDF document. So it's an all-in-one editor. So it doesn't have a backend, so it is actually a static web application which directly runs in the browser. All the processing directly happens in the browser. So it makes it easy for you to customize your resume on the fly and edit the details, whatever you want to do this. So this will save you a lot of time. So if you are interested in this, you can purchase the source code. So this directly runs this application directly in the browser. So it's an all-in-one resume editor. So all these widgets, you can control the properties, everything. So just highlight the widget. You can control the size, height, the layout, margin, everything you can control. You can click the view button. So this will show you the actual resume, which will look something. And then you can click the print button to actually export that resume to a PDF file. So it's a really easy application. It is compatible on all devices, mobile, desktop, tablet. So it's completely responsive as well. So I built it from scratch. Each file I coded. So each component is coded, as you can see. It's fully customizable, so you can add more features. So the link is given. You can purchase this application.